Hello, happy flowers. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a new style of composition without using kenzan. We can create beautiful designs like this using this technique. Basically, three branches standing with their upper parts intersecting with one another is enough to secure a structure in place. If we are using nails or wires, they must be hidden. Finish it with some leaves or flowers so that they are unnoticeable. The design you create is totally up to your imagination. Follow the Ikebana rules and trim wherever it is necessary. It is so easy and beautiful. Anybody can make with any material, anywhere, at any time. You can create many beautiful designs using this technique. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.